What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got the big meaty boys, 265s. I should be getting my temporary tags. My wife should be bringing them back here shortly. I'm gonna wash the car up, clean it up, take this down to the tire shop, put these on, get this JCI started. But while I was gone, I guess my car wash bucket and mitt and stuff walked away, so I had to go buy some new goodies. Turtle wax, new mitt, new bucket. So as I told you guys before, I like to crank it up every day, get that battery recharged a little bit because these batteries are terrible. I just washed it. Like, how is it already so dirty? I haven't even driven. I can't even drive the car. I don't understand. But she's about to get cleaned up. She probably looks clean on camera. However, that is not necessarily the case. A lot of stuff that you can't see. So I'm gonna get everything looking good and looking right. Hot out here. It's like 95 degrees or something, like 1,000% humidity. Car's all cleaned up. I'm gonna dry it off. Then we're gonna head to the tire shop, start getting stuff put on. All right, so those of you who missed the other video, my new tires are Federal 595 RSRRs, 265 by 35 19s. These tires that I currently have are 245s. The wheels are 9.5 inches wide, so the 245s have a little stretch to them. I'm not about that life. So these new meaty boys are going on there. Should give it a little bit better traction and braking and all that good stuff. So pretty excited. Just gotta figure out how to get them in the car. Gotta give a huge shout out to my wife. She has done all the legwork for my temp tags, JCI, my insurance, everything is all thanks to her. I didn't have to lift a finger for it. She's a badass. Thank you, baby. But I gotta put my new temp tags on, the red stripe showing that it's temporary and heading to get stuff done for JCIs. So I'm gonna throw them on the car real fast. Shouldn't take but a second. So I'm not gonna lie, I think the temporary tag with the red stripe on it looks awesome. I really wish I could keep that as my regular tag. What do you guys think? I always see cars and pictures with this tag and I just think it looks so cool. I cannot fit all the tires in there and still shift, so I'm gonna have to do 2 trips. Luckily, it's within walking distance. Not a big deal, but I can finally drive the GTR again. I'm so excited, let's get it on. All right, back in the GTR. It feels so good to be back in the seat. First drive. Gotta put my seatbelt on. First drive, 7 months, almost 8 months now, after all the stuff that made me do. You can see the tires in the back. Oh snap, and we're off. Finally off in the GTR. Headed to go get my new tires put on. Oh my goodness, it feels so good to be back behind the wheel. Oh, I've missed this car so much, man. All right, I'll pick you guys back up at the tire shop. Woo! So I made it to the tire shop, pulled up in the GTR, dropped all the tires off, but look what is getting worked on right next to me, the Evo 5. Super clean, looking really nice. Looking really nice and white. Let's check it out. That car is beautiful. I don't know why Evos just look so good in white. Perfect fitment. These cars have a really aggressive stance. Told you guys, the more I look at Evos, the more I want one. Evo 5. Nice exhaust. This thing is in beautiful shape. I don't see any damage or rust on the car at all. Absolutely beautiful. The white face gauges in there. Aftermarket wheel, boost gauge. Got the OEM Recaros looking really clean.
Sun 50.
Sun? HP. Sun. Oh, 350. So this is the Evo 5, 350 horsepower. Tomei, it seems like it'd be perfectly balanced for what this car is. Very good, it's beautiful. Oh yeah, it's nice. Ready radiator. What turbo?
Yes.
Which one?
Normal. TTD. TD05.
TD05.
Yes.
So you got a TD05 turbo. How much boost? 1.3. So he's running about 1.3 bar, which is roughly, I think, about 19, 20 pounds of boost. Really, got the Cusco catch can, aftermarket intake. This car is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Arigato, thank you very much. Perfect. Great, great car. He was looking at mine, showing him all the mods, and he was all smiling. He's a car dude, love cars. He's done a great job with the Evo. JDM Legend in its habitat. Couldn't be more excited. Kid in a candy shop. I love this place. It's so awesome. What a good experience. I'm so lucky to live here. Never really get to see your own car be driven around, so. Oh, that's scary. Oh, so stressful. I said it was gonna be 1 hour. I've been here for 5 minutes and they're already starting to move the car in the shop, so I'm sitting in the shop. I look over, they're doing my tires. What is that you see? I see an FDRX7, but wait, there's more. Let's walk over there. You literally can't make this up. FDRX7 in white. Aftermarket mirrors, headlight scoop, aftermarket wheels. Looking really, a little bit neglected. It's really dirty. Maybe, I see it's a white plate, so it is an American guy. Has a Blitz Nurspec exhaust on it. These cars are so beautiful. But not only that, another white Celica GT4 on white wheels. This one's also a white plate with the low profile wing. Got the 1552 wheels on it. Another Blitz Nurspec exhaust. Got a aftermarket wheel, boost gauge, aftermarket shift knob. It's got confetti Recaros in it. I don't know if you can see that. Can't look over the Mark IV with what appears to be a Veilside kit, Shogun, something like that. Aftermarket wheels, black with like gloss black with a red pinstripe around them. TRD wing, carbon fiber blade and end caps. Rocking a aftermarket Nardi wheel. It's crazy. I've never, oh my God. Oh, and dude, this is like JDM heaven right here. R33 GTR. I know whose car this is. Super clean. He's a friend of Jason's, but you can see this car's been sitting for a while. I do like the R33 GTRs in silver. I think that's a underrated color. They look great. But what do we have here? Rocking white Evo 4. Man, how lucky did I get today? OEM interior, even the shift knob and steering wheel are all OEM. Oh man, these Evos are so nice. That's 2 white Evos I've seen today. It's crazy. But I better go check on my car. Oh my God. Dude, what is happening here? We have a white R33 GTR sitting on some R34 wheels. I like the 34 wheels on the 33. I think it looks really good together. GTR carbon fiber end caps. It is a V-spec aftermarket exhaust. Man, dude, this parking lot is a gold mine. What? I see a GC8 WRX hanging out back here. Why are all the cars in this parking lot white? Man, got lucky today. Some more 1552 wheels. This thing just hanging out here, hidden, tucked away. See a bunch of gauges and a Brid seat. I see aftermarket oil cooler. Man, it's crazy. I'm just blown away. I was just waiting for my wheels to get put on, I was just waiting for my tires to get put on. I happened to look over, saw an FD, and I was like, is that a GT4 next to it? And I was like, wait, is that a Supra? And I was like, walk over here, there's all kinds of stuff in this garage. So out of these cars, what was your favorite one that you saw? I don't know, man. They're all pretty clean. I'd take them all. Put down in the comments what you guys think that you'd want to drive out all of these. Let's go check on the GTR, see if it's done yet. Look at the size of that Spider. Oh, gross. That's a Huntsman living in Japan. Whew. It's all torqued up. They're backing out of the spot for me. That carbon fiber blade looks so good on there. So got the car back to the house right away. You can see these tires being as wide as they are. They fit much better on the car. I am going to have to raise it up, not just for JCI, but just so I avoid any rubbing. So I'm gonna have to baby it on the way to base so I can use the lift. Raise it up for JCI. The fronts look like they're gonna be okay. I do have a little bit of rubbing when I turn full lock, but that's fine. It really just makes the car look better. So I'm super stoked, really excited, guys. So first impressions is it feels a lot more planted to the ground. I mean, the tires are better than the ones I had. The ones that came with the wheels are very cheap. So these tires are a lot more inspired, I guess would be a good word to put it. And people who buy these tires want some traction, so I think the ones that came on the wheels were just the cheapest things they could find to put them on the wheels to sell them possibly. But these new Federals, not only do they look really good, but they feel good. Whoa. You got in the truck's probably like, what is going on? But it is a beautiful day out here in Okinawa, Japan. I have a lot more work to do on the car. I'm gonna end the video. I want to say thanks guys for watching. I just hit 1,700 subscribers. You guys rock, thanks for the support. My cars for sale video is doing really well, so I hope to put out some more really good JDM content for you guys. That's gonna wrap it up. Like, comment, and as always, I'll see you next time.